Leo and Luna were playing outside when they stumbled upon a mountain of empty water bottles. "Wow, that's a lot of bottles!" exclaimed Leo. Luna pondered. "What do you think we should do with them?" Leo, following his usual habit, suggested throwing them away. Luna, however, disagreed. "I don't think that's a good idea," she said. "Throwing things away fills up landfills, which isn't good for the environment." Suddenly, a light bulb went off in Leo's head. "Oh, yeah! I remember Grandpa talking about recycling. Maybe we can recycle these bottles?" Luna's eyes lit up. "That's a great idea. Let's go ask Mom how to do it." Thrilled with their plan, Leo and Luna rushed to their mom. "Mom, how can we recycle these bottles?" they asked excitedly. Mom, pleased with their initiative, smiled and explained. "Great job wanting to recycle, kids. First, we need to sort these bottles. We can put them in the blue bin for recycling." Curious, Luna asked. "Why a blue bin?" Mom patiently explained. "The blue bin is specifically for recyclable items like plastic bottles, aluminum cans, and paper. This helps keep them separate from other waste so they can be turned into new things." With newfound enthusiasm, Leo and Luna helped their mom sort the bottles and deposit them in the blue bin. As they watched the bin fill up, Leo remarked, "Look, it's almost full." Luna, her face beaming with pride, added, "Now they'll be recycled into something new and useful." Mom, proud of her eco-conscious children, said, "That's right. Recycling is important because it helps us conserve resources and protect our planet." Later that week, with excitement bubbling in their hearts, Leo and Luna accompanied their dad to the recycling center. As they stepped into the facility, Dad explained, "This is where all the recyclables from our neighborhood are brought." Overwhelmed by the sight of so many bins, Leo exclaimed, "Wow, there are so many bins." Dad chuckled and explained, "Different bins are for different types of materials. There's even a bin for electronic waste." Luna, amazed at the process, commented, "It's incredible how all these things can be recycled into something new." Dad, acknowledging their wonder, said, "It's definitely something to be proud of. We can all do our part to help the environment by recycling properly." Back home, Leo and Luna were playing with their new toys, made entirely from recycled materials. Leo, with a sense of accomplishment, said, "These toys are so fun! I'm glad they were made from recycled materials." Luna, feeling empowered, added, "Me too! We can make the world a better place by recycling and using recycled products."